Today I'm going to be cooking a Middle Eastern infused salmon recipe. It is called the Herby Tahini and Pomegranate Salmon with glazed carrot. This is an absolute winner, one that you can impress your family and friends with. I'll share a few tips at the end as well to make sure that this is a real winner for everyone. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Celsius with a fan. Then line or lightly grease a roasting dish. Place the salmon fillet onto the dish, sprinkle with salt and pepper and drizzle with olive oil. Then bake in the oven for 15 or 20 minutes until juicy and slightly pink in the middle. Meanwhile, peel the carrots and slice them into discs. Bring a small pan of water to a boil and cook the carrots for 8-10 minutes until tender. Combine the tahini and measured water with a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then wash, dry and chop the fresh coriander, parsley and mint leaves. Roughly chop the almond flakes. Then combine the almond flakes and the chopped herbs in a bowl. Halve the pomegranate, hold each pomegranate half over a large bowl, seeds facing down, and hit the skin with a wooden spoon, squeezing a little to release the seeds. Drain the carrots. Heat a pan over a medium heat with the salted butter. Then add the drained carrots and the honey. Cook stirring for 4 to 5 minutes until the carrots are glazed, and season with a pinch of salt and keep warm. Spread the tahini sauce over the cooked salmon and top with the almond and herb mix. Garnish with the pomegranate seeds, drizzle with the pomegranate molasses and sprinkle with a pinch of sumac powder. Serve the herby tahini and pomegranate salmon with the glazed carrots. Enjoy! So for this recipe I have 2 tips for you. First, for the carrots, if you're feeling a little bit lazy and there's too many steps here, chop your carrots in a bowl, mix them with the honey and put them on the baking tray with your salmon. They'll bake perfectly fine in about 15-20 minutes with your salmon in the oven. Tip number 2, if you're entertaining for instance and you want to offer something a little bit more substantial with a Middle Eastern twist, then go for rice. Bon appetit! So this is how easy it is to create a wonderful Middle Eastern recipe at home in under 30 minutes. And I'm sure you're going to impress your friends and family with this, because look how beautiful it is. I can't wait to tuck in. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to look at other Middle Eastern flavored recipes, you'll find them here. But for now, bon appetit!